In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add TikTok inbox on your home screen. You can simply add TikTok inbox shortcut to your home screen in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines right here. Select the last option of Settings and Privacy. In the section of Content and Display, scroll down onto the section of Home Screen Shortcuts. Select the option of Inbox. Tap on Add. Your inbox shortcut will get added to your home screen successfully. You can also add TikTok Shop, Search and Following Feed shortcut to your home screen in the same way. Whenever you open up your shortcut, it will directly take you to your TikTok inbox. That's how easy it is to add your TikTok inbox shortcut to your phone home screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.